Hey everybody, Noah Harrison here, Debt First Credit Second. Sitting here wanting to make a video for you guys to give you guys an idea whether you guys want to do it single or you guys want to maybe do a couple and look at houses today. So I wanted to make a video. I got with one of my agents here, and what we want to do here is kind of just give you guys the idea of what you might want in a house. Once you guys are qualified, again, it's not very hard at all to get qualified. You need a 640 bare minimum credit score, 2 years of employment history. You have a good rental history report, and basically from there you can actually go to the loan officer and see if you can get approved for a house. If you don't qualify, then they will tell you exactly why you didn't qualify. The process is not hard at all, and it's very easy. A lot of our clients think that it's very hard to obtain a house, or they think it's years and years down the line. No, if you go back to prior videos, if you save probably about $3,000, typically fair number or even more, that would be even great. Again, 24 months of some type of employment history, and you have a 640 and above credit score, then you will be in great conditions to get a house. Sometimes loan officers can go a little bit low on the numbers, but I don't want to confuse you guys. I want to keep it really simple, because I'm not the loan officer. I am help people with their credit. I have a real estate team, real estate agent as well, and we help people become first-time home buyers. And again, I want to bring you guys on this journey here to kind of give you guys the idea on what you want in the house, some of the things you can look at. So in a few seconds here, in a few minutes, we are going to open the door and kind of give you guys a visual. Hey, some of the things you can think about as you guys are working on your credit score or saving up to do so, to give you the idea on what you want in the house. So give me 1 second. Hey, welcome back. Just pulled up at the house here. Just see it. One of my guys here. We're going to walk through this house here. Hold on.